Robot vacuums offer hands-free cleaning, saving you time and effort by automatically sweeping and vacuuming your floors. They navigate around furniture, reach under beds, and can be scheduled to clean even when you're away. Many models also feature smart mapping and app control, making them efficient and convenient for daily use. So, in today's video, we're going to talk about the 4 best robot vacuums in 2025. For more information and up-to-date prices about the product we mentioned in the video, we also added the links in the description box below. To start our list, we're talking about the Tapo RV30 Max Plus, our top pick for the best budget robot vacuum. The RV30 Max Plus features a sleek, low-profile round body that allows it to slide easily under most furniture for a thorough clean. Its minimalist matte finish gives it a premium look despite being a budget-friendly option. On top, it houses a turret sensor for precise navigation, and the compact design keeps it lightweight and easy to place in any room. The smart auto-empty dock is also compact and features a 3-liter sealed dust bag that can last up to 60 days, making it convenient for busy households. Under the hood, the RV30 Max Plus focuses on real cleaning performance. It can ramp up to 5,300 pascals in ultra mode for stubborn crumbs and pet hair, while its deep vac airflow design, optimized inlet, improved brush, and smart ducting that claims an over 97% dust pickup rate on hard floors. Navigation is handled by LiDAR plus IMU dual navigation with an extra turret sensor for fast, precise 360 degrees mapping. The result is consistent room scans and a reliable 2D house map you control in the Tapo app. The robot uses mesh grid technology to follow a grid-like pattern so spots aren't missed, and it smartly boosts suction on low-pile carpets while avoiding carpet during mopping. It climbs thresholds up to 0.87 inches, so it moves between rooms with fewer interruptions. Best of all, for busy homes, the auto-empty dock seals debris into a disposable 3-liter bag that typically lasts up to 60 days, cutting down maintenance and dust exposure. App features let you set no-go zones, schedule cleans, and customize room settings with Tapo IQ plus algorithms running the show. For pros, the RV30 Max Plus offers powerful suction, smart navigation, customizable cleaning options, and a self-emptying dock, all at a budget-friendly price. The only cons are that it is optimized for low-pile carpets and may not perform as strongly on thick rugs, and the 2D mapping lacks the more advanced 3D visualization found in premium models. In conclusion, the Tapo RV30 Max Plus is the perfect budget-friendly robot vacuum, offering premium features like LiDAR mapping, auto-emptying, and powerful suction at an affordable price, making it ideal for everyday cleaning with minimal effort. Next up, let's take a closer look at the Ecovacs Deebot X 8 Pro Omni, our top pick for the best vacuum and mop hybrid. The Deebot X 8 Pro Omni looks premium and purposeful. A low, circular robot body with a slim profile that slips under sofas and beds, paired with a taller, compact Omni station that handles all the messy work. The robot's turret hides an embedded LiDAR sensor for clean lines instead of a bulky tower, and the overall finish is modern and understated, so it fits into living rooms without sticking out. The Omni Station is larger than a basic dock, but it's a true all-in-one hub. Refill tanks, sealed dirty water reservoirs, and heating elements are neatly integrated so the robot returns to a tidy, hygienic base after every run. Performance is where this system shines. The robot pushes up to 18,000 pascals of suction for powerful dust, debris, and pet hair pickup, and Zero Tangle 2.0 dramatically reduces hair wrap. For mopping, it uses the extended Osmo roller that cleans instantly. Fresh water in, scrub, and dirty water out. So the mop is never reusing grime. Edge-to-edge cleaning plus an auto-lifting roller boosts carpet suction by 10 mm when needed, and the roller even retracts for mopping passes. Navigation combines LiDAR plus AIV 3D 3.0 plus IMU, giving precise 360 degrees maps, object avoidance, and AI instant remop to target dirty spots. The 12-in-1 Omni Station automates refilling, washing, drying, and solution dispensing with hot water to keep the mop fresh for months. Smart features include app mapping and room customization, voice control, Yeeko GPT AI assistant, and OTA compatibility for wider smart home integration. The pros come with a powerful suction, a truly self-cleaning mopping system, edge-to-edge coverage, and full automation via the Omni Station, making it nearly maintenance-free. The cons are that the premium features come with a higher price tag, and the station requires a bit of space for installation. Overall, if you want the ultimate set-and-forget cleaning solution with industry-leading suction and instant mop cleaning, the Deebot X8 Pro Omni is the best hybrid vacuum and mop you can buy. And now, we're going to talk about the Dreame X30 Ultra, our top pick for the best self-maintenance features. The X30 Ultra looks modern and purposeful, a low-profile circular robot with a compact but substantial auto-cleaning base that handles all the maintenance tasks. The robot itself keeps a clean, minimalist silhouette with a visible sensor turret and an integrated LED for dim light work. The station is larger than a simple dock because it houses the water tanks, waste collection, and wash or rewash mechanics, but that extra bulk is deliberate. It's the price of true hands-free upkeep. Overall, the package feels premium and engineered to sit in an entryway or laundry closet rather than disappear under a shelf. It's designed to reduce your chores, not hide from them. Where the X30 Ultra really shines is in its self-maintenance capabilities. It automatically empties its dustbin, refills its water tank, washes its mop pads, and even cleans the washboard, keeping everything fresh without your intervention. Its Mop Extend RoboSwing technology lets it reach as far as 1.57 inches under low-profile furniture, ensuring you get a truly complete clean. The robot uses 8,300 pascals of suction power, which is extremely strong, making it excellent for picking up dirt, pet hair, and debris from both hard floors and carpets. The mop features smart dirt detection and will re-wash itself and remop the same area if it senses stubborn dirt. It also comes with a liftable and removable mop so it can adapt its cleaning strategy for different carpet heights, keeping them dry. The AI action and 3D structured light system detects over 70 object types, avoiding cables, shoes, and more, while the built-in LED allows it to clean effectively even in dark rooms. The pros are industry-leading self-maintenance, powerful suction, a corner-reaching mop, and excellent obstacle avoidance. And for the cons, it only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. The station takes up space, and its premium price might be a stretch for budget-conscious buyers. In conclusion, if you want a nearly hands-free cleaning experience with top-notch automation and precision, the Dreame X30 Ultra is one of the most advanced robot vacuums you can buy in 2025. Last on our list, we're talking about the Roborock Saros 10R, our top pick for the best overall robot vacuum. The Saros 10R stands out with its ultra-slim 3.14-inch profile, making it one of the thinnest yet most powerful robot vacuums available. Unlike bulky models with raised LDS units, the Saros 10R uses its advanced Starsight Autonomous System 2.0, allowing for a flat, sleek top that easily slides under beds, sofas, cabinets, and coffee tables. This design isn't just practical, it's elegant, blending seamlessly into modern home environments. Its compact form factor provides superior coverage, tackling hidden dust in those hard-to-reach spaces that most vacuums miss. When it comes to performance, the Saros 10R is a powerhouse. Its 22,000 pascals hyperforce suction removes even the most stubborn dirt, pet hair, and fine debris from hardwood, tile, and carpets. The zero-tangling Duo Divide, main brush, and FlexiArm Riser side brush are specifically designed to prevent hair tangles, while omnidirectional wheels eliminate manual cleaning chores. Its Starsight Autonomous System 2.0 enables precise 3D mapping under narrow furniture, and its Vertibeam lateral obstacle avoidance allows it to clean around cords and irregular furniture legs without interruption. The Adaptilift chassis gives it unmatched climbing power, handling thresholds up to 4 centimeters, and it lifts its mop when it detects carpets to keep them dry. Pair all that with the multifunctional Dock 4.0, which provides 60-day auto dust collection, hot water mop washing, hot air drying, detergent dispensing, and even auto mop removal, and you have a near completely hands-free cleaning system. The pros are ultra-thin design for superior reach, extremely powerful suction, excellent obstacle avoidance, and one of the most advanced self-cleaning docks on the market. And the cons are the premium price and advanced features may be overkill for very small apartments or homes with minimal cleaning needs. Overall, if you want the most complete, intelligent, and hands-free cleaning solution available, the Roborock Saros 10R sets a new standard for robot vacuums in 2025.